Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about remembering the Creator. Hey, what had your focus in your youth? Right? Like what was most important or what was on your mind when you were younger? And is it the same today? Well, I saw an article the other day and it said you might be from this decade in history if you ... So it was giving you all of these historical events and funny cultural events that were popular, saying if you recognize these things, you might be from that decade. So it said things like if you loved bell bottoms, or if you loved parachute pants, or if you played the original Pac-Man, or maybe if you had a gigapet or danced on TikTok, you were from this specific generation. What about you? What were you all about in your youth? What was the it thing you wanted? What did your conversations, what were they full of? Well, Solomon, he's the wisest person in the world, and he penned these words in Ecclesiastes 12:1. Listen to it. He says this. He says, "Remember your Creator in the days of your youth, before the days of trouble come and the years approach when you will say, I find no pleasure in them." He says, remember your Creator. Remember, we're looking at the phrases in Scripture where we're told to remember specific things. And what Solomon is saying is remember your Creator specifically in the days of your youth. So what were you most concerned with? Maybe were you most concerned with how you looked or what others thought of you or what you wanted out of life or how you were going to accomplish something? What if today we listen to the wisdom of Solomon and we remember the Creator? We keep our focus on God who created the heavens and the earth. And we remember what he's like. We remember what God the Creator does. We remember what God the Creator has done, the honor he deserves, the wisdom he has, the kindness that he's already shown. And as you do that, you're going to find that when you remember the ways and the nature of God, you start to prioritize what God values. So, whether you are 12, 24, 42, 82, today can be the day of youth for you. Why? Well, because you're going to be more youthful today than you will be tomorrow. So let's remember the Creator, the one who said to the oceans, this far and no farther. The one who created the delicacies of flowers and petals, and the one who created the strength of mighty rocks and mountains and animals. You see, God is a creator who creates strength. He creates beauty. He creates wonder. He creates delight. Let's remember God, who is good and powerful and just, especially in our youth. Because as we do, we will start to prioritize what God values. So let's do this. Let's make Psalm 119, 36 through 37 our prayer today. Let me read it to you. It says this. It says, we can think of God our Creator. It says, turn my heart towards your statutes, not towards selfish gain. Turn my eyes away from worthless things. Preserve my life according to your word. So let's remember the Creator, especially in our youth, because as you do, you'll focus on something lasting and something valuable. We'll see you next time.